Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Micro Jig Matchfit Workholding kit. Okay, it's a CNC kit. I'm going to open this up right now. I also had another product that I ordered called bench nuts. I'll make another video on these, but these are actually pretty cool. Alright, so let's get into this. So in here I have 3 pieces of the fence. Right, all kinds of stuff. I am going to have to learn the names of all this stuff. Here's the T-nuts with nylon screws, which is cool if you're using it on a CNC bed that has T-track aluminum stuff. I don't have that, so I'm not using those. This is the edge guides, so you have 3 of them. You can either go 2 on the bottom, 1 on the side, or 2 on the side, 1 on the bottom, whichever way. I'll probably go 2 on the bottom and 1 on the side, but there's your edge guides. Then you have the ring clamp right here, so like a pressure clamp. Looks like it's got an offset, so when you go to twist it, it locks it into place and then you're good to go. Put all that together. U-pad, which I'm assuming is these. These guys are the U-pads. Man, we get a lot in here. Ramp clamp, which is what you'd use to put on the corners, which are these guys. And U-pad clamps. So U-pad clamps, these are these guys. Oh no, yeah, these are these guys. Kind of cool. It's got a little 45 in it to help hold down edges. This is kind of what those ring clamps, U-clamps are. So a manual's pretty detailed, showing you how to combine everything, set it all up, put them all together. So I'm going to open them all up and put them on my bed. Alright, so let's start putting this stuff together. So I think I am going to set it like this. I might have a problem because I messed up on the edge, but let's see if we can get around it. Okay, so we're going to have to apply these first. So let's do this. So I have a square edge reference right here. That's why I made this line all around it. It was supposed to be on the edge, but I kind of messed it up, so it is what it is for now until I waste this board. Then I'll redo it all. But all these should slide right in. Those ain't going nowhere. Alright, so I got the edge guides set up. That way I have a 90-degree reference with these set up on it. And that should hold every time. I want to just get these kind of set up. So based off of that, there isn't really a lot of deflection because I am pulling on it. There's a little, but not a lot. So far, that's pretty good. So this is kind of what I have set up right now. This is just a test, but there's not a lot of deflection, which is really good. It's holding it down like I'm lifting on it. It's not coming up. One of the screws with this twist knob was threaded weird, so I don't know if I can use that one, which means I'm down one, but there's plenty. Maybe I could reach out, see if they can replace that one, unless I have other ones that I've found, because everything else threaded pretty nicely. Some of the threads, you got to really get it in there before it can. Next test would be to actually run the CNC and see if the actual force can hold up over time. That's my next step. So I'm going to probably cut out a piece here and then do an American flag that I got to make for a buddy. So that'll be my next step. Next clip. Here we go. So now back to this. I have got my dust collection set up. Works pretty good. Got the gate open, temporary hold. So we will see how it goes with cutting.